If you are trying to launch Battlefield 6 game and you are getting error that Battlefield 6 is being blocked by antivirus or firewall, so it means that your antivirus or firewall is interfering with the game. So for that you need to turn off or disable your antivirus and the firewall. By default, Windows come with its own antivirus. It's called Windows Defender. So if you are using that, you can disable that, and if you are using any other third-party antivirus, you can disable that antivirus and its firewall. So to disable the Windows on antivirus, we will select this button and click on settings, and here you can see privacy and security, and here we need to select this Windows security. You can read antivirus, browser, firewall and network protection for your device. So all the settings are in there, so we will select it, and here we need to select this button, virus and threat protection, and this is the setting we need to look for, virus and threat protection settings. We will click on this manage settings, and this is the real-time protection. It means that your antivirus is turned on right now, so we need to turn it off and click on this yes button. Now it means that your antivirus has been turned off. Now to disable the firewall, we need to do the other settings. Now to disable the firewall, we will select this button. You can see firewall and network protection. Once you will select it, all these firewalls are enabled. Domain network firewall is on, private network firewall is on, public network firewall is on. So we will turn off all these one by one. Domain network, turn it off, yes. And you can see Windows Defender firewall, go back, and also turn this private network Windows Defender firewall off, yes. Go back and also turn this public network firewall off and click on yes button. So this is how you can turn off both the antivirus and the firewall for the Battlefield 6 game.